Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, I'm really excited to share my very first project in Python, the classic rock, paper, scissors game. Since this is my first Python project, I'll walk you through it step by step so beginners like me can also follow along. We'll learn how to take user input, use random choices, and write simple functions to make the game work. Let's jump into the code and build this fun project together.